Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today is the winter solstice. I thought my video would be with my medicine wheel today. And then look at the skies. They are glorious. How beautiful. So with the medicine wheel, what we're going to do, sorry if you just got dizzy there, we're going to walk around the medicine wheel 3 times. And I want you to think about, what is it you want to release? What are you so tired of carrying around? And let's start with that first. I'll give you a minute to think about, what are you just tired of carrying around? Maybe you pause the video and think about it. And I'm going to walk slowly around the medicine wheel. What do we want to let go of? And then start asking for that. I release whatever it is 3 times. I release whatever it is. I give it to the light, or I give it to love, to be transmuted into love. That was 1. I release all that no longer serves me. I release the pattern of fear, whatever it might be. Such a beautiful day. I'm just breathing. And this is 2. And as we walk inside, what gifts do you want to be given? Do you want more clarity? Do you want your path lit up for you? The path that's for your highest good? What gifts do you want to be given? And that's what you're going to think of next. Alright, we're going to enter in to this beautiful medicine wheel. And what gifts do you want to be given? I'm going to walk around 3 times. Do you want to be given more opportunity for love? More financial abundance? More clarity? More opportunities that make your heart sing? Second go round, and ask for that. The dog started barking, so I guess he's asking for what he wants. And this is our last time around. This is my beautiful cloud buster, filled with so many different beautiful crystals, stones. And each one of these little quadrants, for me, for what my medicine wheel represents, the first one is new beginnings. So how does that one feel? The second one is physical healing. So does that one feel the best? For this third one here for my medicine wheel is emotion. Do you need emotional healing? And then this one is mental healing. So how does this one feel? And then whatever quadrant felt better to you, ask for that healing for you. Or the new beginnings. Whatever one feels the best for you, and let it be so, and let it be done. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy you're on this beautiful planet. You are so loved. I love you. Be well.